Welcome to Share Your Foodways, Episode 3.
I'm Jerome.
I'm Daisy.
What are we cooking today?
Well, Jerome, we are making a delicious dish.
What is that?
Black bean soup.
Ooh. And what's so important about this dish to you?
Well, first of all, is an emblematic dish of every Cuban festivity.
Oh, you're Cuban.
Yes.
That's why you're going to
yes.
teach us salsa?
Absolutely. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Did you bring your dancing shoes?
I don't have them with me, but I can go get them.
Okay. All what you need. If you can walk, you can salsa.
Okay.
I tell you.
I trust you.
Okay, good. Well, you're gonna let me cook. So that means you trust me.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Well, tell me more about the food. Tell me
Well,
more about
listen.
yourself.
Black bean soup is like a humble king on the Cuban table.
Yeah.
Why do I say a humble king? Because it will be in every table.
Yeah.
All the time. Every festivity, there is never a banquet or a good family meal where you don't have the black bean soup.
So your family always cooked it when you were growing up?
Absolutely. And even here, after we immigrated, we came here, and still Thanksgiving, Christmas, you know for sure. You don't know what else is going to be there. But black bean soup and white rice, that is going to be there.
Let's get into this dish.
Okay, let's do it, Jerome. Let's do it. In a heavy big pot, heat the oil and saute the onion with a pinch of salt over medium heat. Mash the garlic with the oregano, cumin, and crushed pepper. Set it aside. Add the bay leaf, the pepper, and the garlic mixture. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Take half a can of black beans, mix it with about 1 can of water. We are going to mash these beans and add it to the pot. Pour the rest of the 1.5 cans of black beans into the pot. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Add the sugar and the wine vinegar. Simmer for 5 minutes or until the desired consistency is achieved. Just before serving, add half a teaspoon of olive oil.